Hello, my name is Paul and this is Missy, and together our channel is Posture Pilates. So today I will guide you through the tower exercise on the Cadillac. As always, I will offer a beginner, then an intermediate and an advanced level. Please note these videos are a guide. You may have learned these exercises with a slightly different variation, modification or breathing. My specific version has been developed over time from teaching different abilities, body shapes and ages. If you enjoy today's video, please consider subscribing. It's free of charge, it doesn't cost you anything, and it will help us to grow the channel. Also, if you have any exercises you would like me to cover, please leave a comment down below. Thank you and enjoy. Here I have attached one red spring from the bottom with the safety chain or safety strap attached from above. When working with a client, you must spot throughout the exercise with one hand on the push-through bar. I'm choosing to start in parallel legs. However, if you have a client with a slightly larger abdomen, you could start with externally rotated hips. The feet would be toes apart with the heels together. The hips are flexed without the thighs resting on the chest. The arms are reaching overhead to hold onto the upright bars slightly above shoulder level. The scapulars are stabilized. Please note, due to my tight glutes and slightly shortened hamstrings, my pelvis is not in contact with the bed. Ideally, you're looking to maintain the sacrum down. Inhale, straighten the knees, attempting to sink the pelvis further into the bed. Exhale, plantar flex the ankles. Inhale, dorsiflex the ankles. Perform 2 more repetitions of point and flex before exhaling, bending the knees and lowering the thighs back down towards the chest. Let's perform the exercise up to speed. Inhale, straighten the knees. Exhale, point. Inhale, flex. Exhale, point. Inhale, flex. Exhale, point. Inhale, flex. Exhale, bend the knees, lower the thighs. As a modification, you could move yourself further along the bed, resting your head on a split pedal chair. This gives greater room for people such as myself with tighter hamstrings and glutes. Moving on to the spinal roll, inhale, straighten the knees while plantar flexing the feet. Exhale, press the abdominal wall down into the bed and squeeze the glutes. Starting from the tailbone, articulate the spine off the bed until you are resting on the upper thoracic spine. Inhale at the top, whilst leaving the legs straight. Exhale, articulate the spine back down to the bed until the sacrum is touching. Finally, bend the knees whilst dorsiflexing the ankles. Up to speed. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, roll up. Inhale at the top. Exhale, roll all the way down through the spine. Bend the knees and dorsiflex the ankles. Let's combine the 2 exercises together. Inhale, straighten the knees. Exhale, point. Inhale, flex. Exhale, point. Inhale, flex. Exhale, point. Inhale at the bottom. Exhale, roll up through the spine. Inhale at the top. Exhale, roll down through the spine before bending the knees and dorsiflexing the ankles. Let's perform this version one more time. Those were my 2 beginner intermediate levels. Let's now build towards the fall exercise. Inhale, straighten the knees, plantar flexing the feet. Exhale, recruiting from the abdominals, roll up through the spine. Inhale, bend the knees and flex the hips. Think of lowering the knees down to the shoulders as opposed to bringing the heels towards the bottom. Exhale, extend the knees. Inhale at the top, exhale, roll down through the spine before bending the knees and dorsiflexing the ankles. Once more, up to speed. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, roll up. Inhale, flex the knees and the hips. Exhale, straighten. Inhale at the top. Exhale, roll down. Flex the knees and the ankles. And finally, let's perform the full tower exercise. Inhale, straighten the knees and plantar flex the ankles. Exhale, roll up the spine. Inhale, flex the knees and the hips. Exhale, straighten. Perform 3 repetitions before inhaling at the top and exhaling, rolling all the way down through the spine, placing the sacrum down onto the bed, flexing the knees and dorsiflexing the ankles. Try to maintain strong alignment through the center of the hips, knees and ankles. Do not let the pelvis lift and lower as you flex the knees and hips. Once again, the modification is to have your head resting on the split pedal chair with the torso further along the bed. However, here you will notice, because of the reduction of the spinal rolls, my hips are not as high, so the flexion is coming more from the knee joint than the hip joint. To dismount safely, take hold of the foot bar before releasing either of the feet. If you enjoyed today's video, please consider liking, subscribing and ringing the bell to be notified of future video releases.